Autonomous combat vehicles. Autonomous combat vehicles are rapidly transitioning from science fiction to battlefield reality, reshaping ground warfare with AI-driven capabilities. These robotic vehicles can navigate complex terrains, identify threats, and execute missions with minimal human oversight, significantly reducing soldier risk and operational delays. A prime example is Overland AI's Ultra, a fully autonomous ground vehicle designed for challenging environments like dense forests, volcanic terrain, and GPS-denied zones. Equipped with proprietary overdrive autonomy software and modular payloads, including counter-drone systems and remote weapon stations, Ultra operates beyond line of sight and in contested electronic environments without human commands. It uses onboard sensors to analyze terrain in real time and communicates via mesh networks, 5G, and satellite links, enabling resilient and flexible operations. Similarly, the U.S. Army's Robotic Combat Vehicle program has produced several prototypes like Textron's Ripsaw M3, a hybrid electric, unmanned vehicle capable of speeds over 30 miles per hour and adaptable for surveillance, fire support, and logistics. However, the Army is reassessing RCV development due to vulnerabilities against low-cost drone swarms, focusing now on lighter, more survivable variants. Milrem Robotics Havoc. 8x8 RCV highlights advances in hybrid propulsion and maneuverability, offering stealthy, high-speed mobility with large-caliber weapon integration for diverse combat scenarios. AI integration allows these vehicles to learn and adapt in real time, making split-second decisions that reduce human error and accelerate mission success. The future battlefield will likely see robotic units working seamlessly alongside troops, undertaking the most dangerous tasks, and fundamentally changing ground combat operations worldwide.